Simple yoga stretches for elderly people. As we age, our bodies undergo natural changes that affect our body flexibility, balance, and overall well-being. This practice can be done at home with the support of a chair specifically designed for elderly people. It focuses on balance and core strengthening. No prior yoga experience is necessary. Stand in front of the chair while taking support, bend left, look up, and stretch your right hand. Repeat on the other side. Now place your hands on the chair and bend forward without bending your knees. Hold the chair in your left hand and fold your right leg, holding your feet. Repeat on the other side. Sit comfortably on the chair and now fold the right leg on your left thigh. Relax and fold the left leg on the right thigh. Stretch your arms forward and twist your torso to the right. Come to the center and left. Relax. Bend forward and place your palms right next to your feet. Now place your right palm between your feet and stretch your left hand up while looking at the tip of your fingers. Now place your left palm between your feet and stretch your right hand up. Slowly come back to sitting normally on the chair and relax.
Listen to your body and be mindful while practicing these asanas. Consult a medical professional if you feel uneasy anytime.